Hi there. I would like to show you why I am deciding to remove the macOS Big Sur from my Mac from today and maybe never installing any developer beta again. The first problem for me was this battery thing that came up. So it's telling me there's a service recommended on my battery. I click on it and then yeah, I get all this stuff, but I want to turn off this alert. I don't want to see it anymore. Just for some reason. I know maybe my battery needs servicing and all that, but I need to be able to remove this icon that keeps on warning me. Also, the big part for me that broke the cattle's back is that I'm a developer. I write code, and my major tool on the Mac is the Visual Studio for Mac. And if I try to launch Visual Studio over here, I'll just give it time to come up, and I try to create a new project or open an existing project from my list of projects. Everything just crashes and then it just doesn't work, and then I get this error reporting. Of course, I try to send the report over and over again. I try to reopen. The same problems keep occurring. If I can't use it, I will just just quit it all together. If I try to open an existing project, let me even see if this one will work. It just oh, that opened up. So let me try and open up this application over here. I open up the solution file and then it crashes again. And it's done the same thing for my Google backup and sync. So if I try to launch backup and sync over here, it just would not launch. And I try to back up my photos all the time. It just doesn't seem to work. So this is it for me. I'm uninstalling it and I'm saying bye bye. Peace out.